Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. 650. We have hit the 650 subscriber mark. We have actually surpassed it by a couple now. So that's actually really great. My goal right now is to get to 1,000 and then we can go from there. I've been on YouTube now since 2007 and I know I'm not as busy as some of the other channels that have come on since me or maybe in the past year and have thousands of subscribers. I don't know what the reason or the rhyme is for this and how subscriber systems work and all this and that. I can't seem to figure it out. But I'm getting there slowly and I will get there. I thank each and every one of you that have subscribed so far and have got me to this point at the 650 mark. I thank you for that. So without further ado, let's get up to that 1,000. Let's surpass it. Let's go to 10,000. Let's go to 100,000. Let's just get up there. Anyway, it's all good. I thank everybody. Tell your friends and family to come, hop on the channel, subscribe. Let me know what you might like to see, what you don't like to see, all that kind of stuff. I take everything in, and I take everything and read it and look at it and try to judge what the majority of people would like to see. That being said, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Subscribe being the number one. And we will see you guys again in the next video. Take care till then. And thanks again, everybody. I greatly appreciate it. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.